y'all, welcome back to the shelf. Oh, this is good. That onion powder just came through. Dang, girl. Don't impress yourself. Anywho, I'm trying to figure out what the game plan is for today. Because I need to do some work. And I need to start tackling my bedroom as far as like organizing it because there are clothes everywhere. Don't ask me how they got there, I don't know. I just got a package from Amazon, so I'm about to open this in a second and see what it is. And then I need to go get stuff for the bathrooms today. I have some stuff in my Amazon cart, but I want to kind of see if I can try to find something, some cheaper items. Cause Amazon, I don't know y'all, Amazon like it's been going up, if you ask me, the prices on Amazon and stuff. I am going to probably head out when babe gets home, see if I can try to get it by myself. The girls are over there eating on my coffee table that I got yesterday. I told y'all my sister brought it over because she had to. They were doing a lot of that. It's a big old box for these items. I have bought some pumpkin grass to go into my space on my entryway table. I mean, it's fake, but it still gives, right? Let's see what it looks like over here. Over here. Right, why are you coughing, Mama? That ain't gonna work. Because it just surely fell down in there. I would have to get something to keep it up. Oh, it's nicely packaged. It is. My little link thing. So cute. So I was going to put this on the coffee table. Something like that. And I need to get some coffee table books and some more stuff to put over there. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to see if I can try to get some wake done. For those of you that are new to my channel or just don't know, I do dabble a little bit in graphic design and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? I make like YouTube intros, I do YouTube outros, banners. I also do like flyers, like event flyers, logos, all that good stuff. So if you're interested or you want to check out my work, you can go over to my Instagram at _designbya, or you can go on my website at designby-a.net. And yeah, I do a little bit of graphic content. So yeah, you can see kind of like what I be doing. But that's what I'm about to do now. I have a flyer I need to do for a client, and I'm about to get started working on that as soon as I put my computer up, because I don't know what I thought I was about to do, but I'm not going to do nothing if it's going to die. As y'all can see, I need to clean this off desperately. It looks a mess. But yeah, I'm trying to see how much I can get done before 2 o'clock. Probably not much. But it's 12:55, by the way. I'm going to see how much I can get done by 2 o'clock because I need to, like I said, I got to head out and run some errands so I can get things done. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Don't mind her over there, y'all. So this is how far I have gotten. It definitely will not stay like this. I literally have to go through and play with every aspect of it. I think I want to keep the background. There's like this marble situation in the background. I think I want to keep this color here, but literally nothing else is set in stone. So this is the first flyer that I'm coming up with. I'm probably gonna go through here and tweak this stuff, the colors, placement, all that good stuff. And then I'll probably create another flyer just to give an alternative and let her choose which one she wants to pick out of it. But I think it's so pretty already. Well, no, I don't. I think I like the concept and the colors of it already. But I feel like this part right here is giving off for me. And then this is her logo. And her original logo, y'all saw it had a picture, like a cartoonized picture in it. And I think that is going to throw off the rest of everything else that's in here. So I didn't include it, but I also kind of don't like where the placement of the logo is. I actually want to move it, but I don't know where I would move it to. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and call it, take a break, pretty much. Can y'all see me? I'm about to go ahead and take a break so I can go get this stuff for the house, go shopping real quick. Since I have the chance, thank the Lord. And then I'll be back at the house. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and take you guys with me to pick up some stuff. I have a list of things that I need to get. I think I got some on my phone. I also got some in my purse, a list of stuff that I need to get. But I need to get mostly bathroom supplies like rugs, towels, counter, like stuff for the toothbrush and soap and all that good stuff. And then I need to get like soaps and stuff to go into the dispensers. And yeah, I think that is it for right now. So I'm about to go get ready. All right, y'all, just got in the car. And, well, I didn't just get in the car, but it's in the car trying to let it warm up. It's 55 degrees out today. It was cold yesterday. I mean cold. But I'm about to go pick up my sister. I told her I'm about to go to look for some house stuff, and she's like, I want to go, I need to get some stuff. I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go pick you up. Yeah, this is like probably like my 5th. I hate that little piece right there. This is probably like my 5th time parking in the garage, because when we got here, Babe rewrapped his car. He wraps cars, so they having a shindig down there, ain't they? Okay. But my husband wraps cars, and he wrapped his car, and it took him a few days to wrap it while we were here. So he had all his stuff in the garage. It was wrapped everywhere. So yeah, I haven't been parking in the garage, but I finally get to park in the garage, and it feels so good. When we moved from our old house, and we sold our old house and moved to that apartment, and baby, there was no garage. I said, I must be bougie, because this parking outside thing, ice on your windshield thing, oh my God, what is this? I don't even understand. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I have been into like 3 different stores, and I bought stuff and forgot all about y'all at my purse. Yeah, totally forgot I'm vlogging today, and just start shopping. We're at TJ Maxx because I'm about to go over here and look at like their bathroom stuff. I got stuff for the pantry, and I got stuff for like outside the front door. But I didn't find anything for the bathroom yet. So that's what I'm looking for now. But somebody got sidetracked by the purse section, so I'm over here in the purse section. Coach. Coach, my friend. Oh, look at this stuff already. Look at that. Look at this. Let's say this might clash with my counters, because my counters are... Ooh, found stuff already. It's gonna clash with my counters, ain't it? Huh? It's gonna clash with my counters, ain't it? Yeah. Dang it. It's cute too. Let's go over here and see what they got. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. I like this. So? Yep, and I like this thing that goes with it. Things. I'm weak. I like it. Let's get it.
You get soap?
Yep, I'm gonna get soap too.
There's another thing.
I can go to the other bathroom. Oh, there's a white things. Oh, it's got something on it though. Damn it.
Hey, they get discount for that.
Think so?
Mm-hmm. It's
I don't know
damaged.
how long it's gonna take. That's cool looking. I like these little trays you can put in the bathroom. It's too much though. You guys, I found this mirror for Autumn's desk. It's like with one of those circular mirrors. Super cute. And it's $39.99, so it's $40. And I think this gold goes better with her desk. So yeah, it's like a brassy gold, whatever you call it. As long as I don't break it before we get started. All right, y'all, we make it to Burlington. I'm over here in the home section, looking at stuff. Mom's office, don't come in unless you want chores. Ooh, look at that sign. It says mom's office, don't come in unless you want chores. Mom's office, don't come in unless you want chores. I like that. I kind of like this, but I don't know if it's gonna mess with the theme or the style of the entire house. I think so. It's gonna disrupt a few things. I honestly feel like I went a little overboard, but I got all the things that were on the list to get, except for my paintings. I'm gonna go to another store, but I think, no, $4.99 for trash cans. I mean, $3.99 for trash cans. I think I did good. I think. We made it to Kirkland's, guys. I got 4 paintings and 2 choppable pillows. This whole section is like the vibe that I'm going for right here. I mean, the whole section is vibes. I want to get some of those from the dining room, but I'm gonna wait. Those right there, please. Don't wait. I love those wood pieces up there. All this is totally my style. But I'm gonna get this stuff for now and call it a day.
Throw these little balls in here.
Not throwing the ball. I really like this painting, but my sister said she doesn't really like it. She said it's alright.
It's alright.
I like it. It's cute. Alright, guys. I guess this is all I'm gonna get.
Oh yeah, you put the balls in there.
Yeah, balls in the ball.
Balls to the
I
wall.
like that you can look this thing with the little green thing with the clear glass. That's cute. Alright, you guys. This is all the stuff that I just bought right here. And a little bit over there. Don't mind the cat. But yeah, also just bought. I'm just ready to decorate now. All my big pieces, can't talk. All my big pieces of furniture, like my table and all that stuff. I told y'all it's gonna be a little bit later when I receive those. And yeah, right now it's pretty much, because I got decor over there too. I got everything for the girls' room. Ooh, I wonder if her bed came. I guess not, because it's not out here. What the heck? I keep saying it's coming, but they don't never show up. Hang on. Okay, well, everything's everything. I'll see y'all in a minute.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Alright, you guys, so this is what we got done so far today. I know those look a little short, but we couldn't take it up any higher. I mean, well, we could have taken it down lower, but it would have been too low. So, yeah, too low for the little white part up there. But this is what we got so far. Don't mind these boxes, those trash that we need to take out. We got mirrors on those sides. I wanted to do the mirror here and then a mirror there, but since we don't have a curtain for that yet, I didn't want you to be able to see directly over into the dining room if you're standing outside the door. So yeah, I gotta get a curtain for that though. Kitchen not really doing too much right now. Then we have the paintings up. I do have picture lights to go on top of the paintings. But I need batteries, so I gotta put batteries in those first before I put them up. And then we have our other curtain on that side. We still have to put the curtains up in the dining room, and on the back door. And then once we finish this part tomorrow, the curtains over there and the curtains over there, we will then shift our focus back into the rooms in the back. Y'all can probably see me, which are the girls' rooms and my office. I think in my office, the only thing I need to do is put my curtains up, nail my bookshelves into the wall. And then for the girls' room, we have to put up their wallpaper, their little decor that hangs from the ceiling, and then figure out where my daughter's bed is because one of the beds have not come yet, and I don't know what's going on with that. So, yeah, so far so good.